Hi, I'm Annie the apple.
And I'm Peter the pear.
Let's sing and play.
Yummy apple, so sweet and red. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That's what she said.
Can you say apple?
Can you say pear? Let's say it together. Apple. P-E-A-R.
Yummy pear, round and green.
Funniest dance I've ever seen.
Yummy apple, so sweet and red.
Yummy pear, round and green.
Fruit so fun and good to eat. Crunchy and sweet.
So juicy and good.
Healthy snacks are the best. Wow, look at that shiny red apple.
This pear looks so yummy.
Yummy apple, so sweet and red.
Yummy pear, round and green.
Dance with us and eat your fruit. It's fun and healthy and super cute.
Thanks for dancing and singing with us.
Don't forget to eat your fruits. They're yummy and good for you.